Once we receive the request data from our client, we need to grab the name and the price from the request and create a new book from it. I will remove this return statement and replace it with our request data equals the request.json. And then we'll define a new book object. We'll add it a name field and it'll have a price field for this name field and go from the request data, and I'll get the name field that was passed in. And then for the price, I'll do the same thing. I'll go get the request data's price field that was priced in. For a new book, it has its name and its price, and it has its ISBN, but our client is not actually sending us the ISBN, but we already have it through this variable that's passed in. So all we need to do is set the ISBN to that. Now, our books is a list of dictionaries, and we're going to create a loop that will search through our whole books collection of a list of books that we have. And if a book in that collection has an ISBN that matches what the client passed in, then we'll do some logic to swap that book out. So I'll define a variable I, and this will come in handy as you'll see later when we're swapping the books out. Then I'll create a loop for all the books within the book. If the current ISBN, which I'll define as for that book that's in that loop, that book's ISBN, if that current ISBN equals the ISBN that was passed, then we'll do some stuff here. And then in our books list, that specific index, we'll reassign that to the new book that we created. And otherwise, if the scenario was that the current ISBN does not match, we'll increment our counter by 1. After this is all done, we will have our API return in this response a 204, which is a no content response, which is the standard that indicates that a put operation successfully updated a resource. For the first parameter, I'll send in no content, and then second, as a status, I send in a 204. So now that we have all coded, let's save the file and test this out to make sure things are working okay. In the current project directory, I'm going to run the server. I'm going to open up Postman. Now Postman is open, I will look at this put request that we had, and before that, I'll do a get request to see that we do in fact have all the books in our collection. Now that that is there, from this put request, what should happen is this book named A should be replaced with the name The Odyssey, and let's make the price $8.99, and then I'll send this. I see a 204 no content created, which looks good. I see the right content type, and then I'll do a get request here, and as we see, the name of the book is now The Odyssey and the price is $8.99.